Welcome back to the channel. Today, exercises, multiple. We're doing multiple exercises. Let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up. Also, hit that notification bell to receive new upcoming videos. And if you have any comments about this video or about any other workout, feel free to drop a comment down below. And always conquer all. See you guys in the next one.